This video combines the lecture and exercise that will help to distinguish the differences and similarities between thesis statement and topic sentences, as well as the equal relationship among topic sentences. I will show you how to set the level from top down between thesis statement and topic sentences in terms of concept notion and content scope. How broad or narrow the idea notions for these two levels of statements. Choose words or concepts. The top level thesis statement generalized or covers the bottom level of topic sentences, so should be broader in meaning, while the lower level of topic sentences are narrow in meaning, therefore they must be more specific. Education can be divided into schools, society, and homes. Of course, you can also choose science as your thesis claim subject. Then its subtopics will be further level subjects such as math, physics, and biology. It all depends on which subject you choose. If you choose social education as thesis subject, then work, history, and law may be your controlling ideas. Under home education, we have three controlling ideas: cooking, life skills, and finance. Each one of them have 3 examples. Each topic or content shall also be in similar scope. Beginners can have our methods of using 2 topic sentences with 3 examples, or 3 topic sentences with 2 examples, whichever suits you. Use also our 3 paragraphs for 2-side defense, as well as our recommended 3+8 example categories. Levels and content. Topics under thesis should have the same nature and scope, regardless big or small. You can also adjust or choose any level to start with for the content you are good at. Now let's start the exercise below. Writing a thesis from the list of topic sentences that can cover them. A. My first car was rebellion looking, which matched the way I felt and acted as a teenager. B. My next car reflected my more mature and practical adult life. 3. My latest car seems to tell me that I'm aging. It shows my growing concern with comfort and safety. Methods. Find the key words in each sentence and find out what they have in common. Then sum them up in 1 or 2 words for more general, broader meaning as a thesis statement. 1. They are all talking about his cars. 2. They are talking about the attributes or characteristics of these cars. 3. They are all metaphoric with different age periods with the owner. 4. They all talk about different needs and behaviors of ages. Who it mainly talks about? Subject. They all talk about the cars I chose. at my different growing ages. What are they talking about? Subtopic objects. They are all talking about their characteristics, looks, and needs that changed with my growing age. Make a main idea into a meaningful claim. My favorite cars have changed, or my cars are like my second identity because. Subtopic objects as controlling ideas. It has changed with my age. For their characteristic, looks, and needs have changed with mine. Well, go ahead and do it yourselves with the same steps I have shown you. For the first set, you can refer back to our practice. But in the second set, I hope you have learned by heart, or you can also combine with your own way. Steps and methods. 1. Find their keywords. 2. Look for things they have in common. 3. Find the subject. 4. Find next topics. 5. Make your main and subtopic interesting and meaningful. Here are cherry and tricks. Add adjectives before subject. Use phrase with, for, as, etc. Or even clauses which, because, when for controlling ideas. Good luck! Here are cherry and tricks. Add adjectives before subject. Use phrase with, for, as, etc. Or even clauses which, because, when for controlling ideas. Good luck! Congratulations! Congratulations! You have created a thesis statement step by step with us. These skills are no longer abstract and difficult for you. Thank you.